my name is Tatheer Zahra and here's a few things about me.
In 2004, I came to Lahore for my education, doing my middle and high school from Pakturk, doing Bachelor Software Engineering from Superior University.
Aspect of me, art is my life, and I'm the very great craze of a graphic designer and Android developer, and I believe in will and hope to take a challenge. DSC Lead is a very essential club, and I'm already in a DSC core team of graphic designing. But the most important part that I take all the opportunities to help the student to getting interested in them for coding, providing them the workshops, the competitions, and the guidelines to feeding them the interest of the coding to the students. Coming to a developer student clubs lead, I will get a platform to help these students to get more interest in the coding and help our country with lots of easiers to helping the peoples through the technologies. And I will also get help to promote the Google's program at my university. Will and hope takes me to the future. Failure, it's okay. Do it again. Thank you.